Hi children, how are you? Good morning to one and all. And yesterday we had studied about a poem. Once I saw a little bird. Do you read the text? Yes, very good. You read the text as many as possible and you will be familiar with the words. And I will say the summary of the poem one more time for you. What was the summary? In this poem, there is a little boy and a bird. A little boy and a bird. And at the opening of the poem, we see that the boy saw a bird. The boy saw a little bird. What was the bird doing? It was hopping, and it came and landed on the side of the window. The bird came and landed on the side of the window. Then what did the boy do? The boy came near the window with the silent step. The boy came near the window with the silent step. For what he came? The boy came to ask the bird. What did he ask? Dear bird, can you stop? Can you stop? Why did the boy ask the bird to stop? It is a little boy like you. It is a little boy, and this little boy wants the bird to stop for some time and play with him. Stop for some time and play with him. Did the bird play with the boy? No. The bird thought that the boy is coming to catch it. What did the bird think? The bird thought that the boy is coming to catch it, and the bird became frightened and flew away from there. What did the bird do? It flew away from there. I will read the poem one more time for you. You please listen to the text. Take your text and listen to it. Once I saw a little bird come home. I cried, little bird, will you stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his tail and away he flew. Is it enough? I will read it one more time. Once I saw a little bird come home. I cried, little bird, will you stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his tail and away he flew. What did the bird do? The bird flew away. Okay, the poem was over, and now let us do the comprehensive work in the text. Yes, all of you take your test. Yes, take page number 15. Yes, there is a comprehension. Tick the correct answer. The first one, tick the correct answer. Did you see it? Yes, tick the correct answer. The first one is child. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Listen here. C-H-I-L-D. Child. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Child saw a dash. In the bracket there are two answers. A bird, eagle. Can you say the answer? Can you say? The child saw a bird or eagle. Can you say the answer? Yes, the child saw a bird. Correct answer is B-I-R-D. Bird. Correct answer B-I-R-D. Bird. The child saw a bird. Bird was dash. The bird was dash. Options: hopping, Hopping, hopping. Next option, flying. What did the bird do? The bird was hopping, Hopping, hopping. Yes, the bird was hopping. I will say it one more time. The bird, B-I-R-D. How do you pronounce it? Bird, B-I-R-D. Bird was, W-A-S, was hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G. The bird was hopping. Yes, let us move on to the next one. You listen to the text. Look at the text. The third one is the bird shook its dash. The bird shook its dash. First option, beak. Second option, tail. The bird, third one. The bird, B-I-R-D. Bird shook, S-H-O-O-K. Shook, I-T-S. It's the bird, S-H-O-O-K. Shook, it's I-T-S. It's dash. Options: beak, tail. Say the answer. Say loudly. The bird shook its tail. T-A-I-L. The bird shook its tail. Very good. The bird shook its tail. Then let us revise this one. First one, child, C-H-I-L-D. Child, S-A-W. So, A dash. Child saw a B-I-R-D. Bird, B-I-R-D. Bird. Second one, the bird was dash. The bird was hopping. The bird was hopping. H-O-P-P-I-N-G. The bird was hopping. Third one, the bird shook its dash. The bird shook its dash. T-A-I-L. Tail. Same thing. T-A-I-L. Good. T-A-I-L. Tail. Then, do you finish? Finish. Yes. Let us move on to the next exercise. Page number 16. Take page number 16. Listen. This is a dialogue between the boy and the bird. Dialogue. What is the meaning of dialogue? Conversation. Dialogue. Conversation. The dialogue between the boy and the bird. The boy and the bird are talking each other. The boy and the bird are talking to each other. Then let us work in pairs, practice these dialogues. You work in pairs and practice this dialogue, and that will help you to talk with each other, talk with others. Listen, the boy is asking the bird, "Who are you?" What did the boy ask? Who are you? Bird, who are you? The boy is asking the bird. The boy is asking the bird, "Who are you?" Then what is the reply of the bird? The bird replied that, "I am a parrot." What did the bird say? The bird said that, "I am a parrot." The boy is asking, "Who are you?" Then the bird said, "I am a parrot." What did the bird say? The bird said, "I am a parrot." Then the bird said, bird is asking the boy, the bird is asking the boy, "Who are you?" We can ask, the boy is asking the I am a boy. Then the bird asks, what do you love? Do you love to do what? What do you love? The boy said, I love to read. My hobby is reading and I love reading. What did the boy say? The boy said, I love reading. And the boy is asking the bird, what do you love? What do you love? The boy is asking the bird, what do you love? The bird said, I love to fly free in the air. What is the wish of the bird? The bird like to fly. How does the bird fly? The bird is flying, flapping its wings. The bird is flying by flapping its wings. What did the bird wish? The bird wished to fly. How it flies? It flies freely in the air. It flies. It wants to fly freely in the air. It wants to fly freely in the air. I will read the conversation one more time. The boy is asking the bird, the boy. Now I am playing the role of a boy. And the boy is asking the bird, how are you? And who are you? And the bird is telling, the bird is answering, I am a parrot. And who are you? The bird is asking the boy, who are you? The boy replied, I am a boy. What did the boy reply? I am a boy. I am a boy. And what do you love? The bird is asking the boy, what do you love? And the boy is replying, I love to read. What is the love of the boy? The boy loves to read. The boy loves to read. And his hobby is reading. And then the boy is asking the bird, what do you love? What do you love? Then the bird is replying, I love to fly freely in the air. The bird is replying, I love to fly freely in the air. I love to fly freely in the air. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Then the third one. Next section is writing section. Take your text. Writing section. Here is a direction for us. The child is very friendly with the bird. The child is very friendly with the bird and join the dots to see what is flying away. You can join the dots. Here are so many dots and you take a pencil and join the dots to get what the picture is. After joining this, you can understand what this picture is. This is the picture of a bird. This is the picture of a bird. And here are some questions. First one, the birds make a dash. The picture of that is given here. What is it? What is this picture? Yes, loudly. This is the picture of a nest. What is the picture? It is the picture of a nest. The birds make a dash. The birds make a N-E-S-T, nest. First one, the birds make a dash. Listen to the spelling. B-B-I-R-D-S. Birds. M-A-K-E. Make a dash. Here is the picture. And what is this picture? It is the picture of a nest. It is the picture of a nest. Spelling of nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Listen. The birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. M-A-K-E. Make a Nest. The birds make a nest. Is it clear? The birds make a nest. We complete. Yes. Let us move on to the next one. Listen. The birds lay dash. Here is a picture, and what is it? An oval shaped one. What is it? Yes, it is the picture of eggs. It is the picture of eggs. The birds lay dash. Second one, listen. The birds, T-H-E. The B-I-R-D-S. Birds lay, L-A-Y. Lay dash. The birds lay. Say loudly. The birds lay eggs. E-G-G-S. The birds lay eggs. Listen. They B-I-R-D-S. Birds. L-A-Y. They E-G-G-S. Yes, eggs. E-G-G-S. Eggs. The third one. The baby birds are called dash. The baby birds are called dash. Here is the picture of a baby bird, a small bird. And what is called it? What is it called? The baby bird is called a third one. The baby bird, T-H-E-B, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby bird, B-I-R-D, baby bird is C-A-L-L-E-D, called C-A-L-L-E-D, called. The baby bird is called a dash. The baby bird is called dash. Yes. The baby of a duck is called a duckling. The baby of a hen is called a chick. In total, the baby of a bird is called a there are so many names. Nestling. One word is nestling. Baby bird is called a nestling. Then chick and so many words are there. Let us write nestling. Baby bird is called a nestling. N-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Nestling. Baby bird is called a nestling. Small bird is called a nestling. I'll say it one more time. You please listen here. The birds make a dash. What did the bird make? The bird make a nest. Second one. The birds lay dash. The birds lay eggs. The birds lay eggs. Third one. The baby bird is called dash. The baby bird is called nestling. The baby bird is called nestling. Now let us move on to the next exercise. That means page number 70. Take page number 70. Use the clue box to fill in the blanks with the name of each bird. Here are the name of so many birds, and fill these blanks with the correct word. Fill the blanks with the correct letters of the bird. First one, I will write the first one in the board. Please listen. First one, P. Dash, 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 dash. Here are the names of some birds. First one is vulture, second one peacock, third one crow, then dove, then pigeon, then eagle. Which name starts with P? Look carefully. Which one starts with a P? Yes. Which one? Two names starts with a P. Peacock and then pigeon. Okay. Then you check the dashes. How many dashes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dashes are there. Then check the spelling. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there in peacock. Including P, there are 7 letters in peacock. Peacock. Then there is only 6 letters space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is not a peacock. Then check the spelling of pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. How many letters are there? Check. 6 letters. P-I-G-E-O-N. It is apt for this column. It is apt for this column. Write the spelling. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Is it clear? Yes. I will repeat. P-I-G-E-O-N. First word is pigeon. First word is pigeon. Let us move on to the next one. Second one. D dash B dash. You check the column. The names are vulture, peacock, crow, dove, pigeon, eagle. Yes. It is dove. It is dove. D-O-V-E. It is dove. Is it clear? Yes. It is D-O-V-E. Dove. Next one. Third one. P dash dash C dash dash K. Yes, very good. It is the bird. The name is peacock. Yes, the name is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. How many letters are there in peacock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many letters? 7 letters are there in peacock. Say along with me. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. We completed? Yes. Then fourth one. C dash dash dash. How many letters are there in this name? 4 letters. How many letters? 4 letters. Which are the letters? Which is the bird? Very good. Crow. Which is the bird? Crow. C-R-O-W. Spelling of crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. We finished? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. Next one is fifth one. E dash, 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 dash. How many letters? 5 letters. How many letters? 5 letters. Can you identify the name? Yes, very good. It is eagle. It is eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. It is eagle. Say loudly. Eagle. Yes. The last one is which is the last one? Very good. Vulture. Which is the last one? Vulture. V dash 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 R dash. Listen. How many letters are there in vulture? 7. How many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. V. Say with me. V U L T U R E. Vulture. Do you complete? Yes, I will say it one more time. P. All of you close your text and listen to me. P I G E O N. Pigeon. Next one. D O V E. Dove. Next one. P E A C O C K. Peacock. Next one. C R O W. Crow. Then E A G L E. Eagle. Last one. V U L T U R E. Vulture. Do you complete this? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. Here, look at the text. Exercise C. Match the name of the animals in column A with the names of their houses in column B. Match the name of the animals in column A with the names of their houses in column B. Match the name of animals in column A. In column A, there are the names of 5 animals. There are the names of 5 animals. And in column B, there are the names of 5 animal houses. Animals are living in different type of houses. We human beings are living in house. We are living in house. And the names of animal houses are different. The names of animal houses are different. And here we are going to study 5 animals and their houses. We are going to study 5 animals and their houses. In column A, there are the names of 5 animals, and in column B, there are the names of 5 animal houses. 5 animal houses. Let us check which are the houses. First one, bird. First one, bird. You all know that bird is living in a we have studied now. Bird is living in a bird is living in a nest. Bird is living in a nest. Let us match the bird with its house. Bird is living in a N-E-S-T, nest. Bird is living in a nest. And second one, a horse. Which is the second one? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Where is the horse living? What is the name of the horse's house? The horse's house is stable. Horse's house is stable. Spelling S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Horse's house is stable. Let us draw a line. Horse, stable. Horse, stable. Next one, dog. D-O-G. Where is the dog living? The dog is living in a kennel. The dog is living in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel is dog's house. Very good. Kennel is dog's house. Dog is living in a kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Dog is living in a kennel. The fourth one, cow. Which is the fourth animal? Cow. Spelling of cow? C-O-W. Cow. Spelling of cow? C-O-W. Cow. Cow is living in. Say loudly. Cow is living in shed. Cow is living in shed. Yes. H-E-D. Shed. Cow is living in shed. Cow is living in shed. Cow is living in shed. And the last one is hen. H-E-N. Do you know what a hen is? There are so many hens in our houses. And what did hen gives us? Hen gives us? Hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us eggs. What did we make with the eggs? We make lot of items. Can you name some of the items? Omelette, egg curry, egg puffs. Okay, leave it. And then come to the point. H-E-N. Hen. Where is the hen living? Hen is living in coop or pen. Hen is living in pen or coop. P-E-N. Pen or C-O-O-P. Coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. Okay. Let us look one more time. B-I-R-D. Bird's house is called nest. Bird's house is called N-E-S-T. Nest. And next one, horse. Horse's house is called stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Horse's house is called stable. Next one, dog. D-O-G. A dog's house is called kennel. A dog's house is called K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Then cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow's house is called shed. Cow's house is called shed. S-H-E-D. Shed. And then hen. Where is the hen living? Hen is living in a pen or coop. Hen is living in a pen or coop. P-E-N. Pen or C-O-O-P. Coop. There is an important thing. Always you keep a separate book for each subject, and for English you keep a 4-line book and write neatly in the book. Write neatly without any mistakes. You write neatly and send the notes in WhatsApp to me. Okay? You keep a separate book for English. Let us wind up today's episode by this, and let us do the other exercises in the next episode. And you keep in mind that study the topics at the day itself. Don't postpone things and study it on today itself, and you write the notes clearly and send the notes to me in WhatsApp. Write neatly without any mistakes. You write neatly, and meet you soon. Thank you.